Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can deposit and withdraw an MEX Exchange. So the first step that you have to do is open the application. So once you're here, just go ahead and tap on the wallet at the bottom right. Once you tap on that, you will see this deposit now button. So you just have to click on this one. So once you click on that one, this pop-up will then show. So you just have to click on this on-chain deposit. After doing that, you just have to search for the crypto that you want to deposit. So it depends on you. So once you're done picking what crypto that you're going to be depositing, you also have to select the network. So you make sure that the network and the crypto that you picked is similar. So you just have to double check that. And then you will see this QR code or this wallet address. So you copy this wallet address. And then once you're done copying this wallet address, you just have to go to any exchange wallet and then you paste the wallet address that you have copied from MEX application. And then you put there the amount and then you transfer it. And so now if you want to withdraw the money from MEX, then you just have to go to home screen and then tap on the wallet and then go to spot and then tap on the withdraw button in here. So in here, you just have to paste the withdrawal address in here. And you also have to select the network and then put here the quantity. So you just have to input here the amount that you're going to be withdrawing. And then that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!